Hello guys and welcome back to another unboxing video here on the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Spigen P20 in-ear buds that have active noise cancellation. So really excited to get into these earbuds. This could be a perfect AirPods replacement. Maybe you don't have AirPods, maybe you don't like the price point of AirPods, because these are quite cheap for the quality, hopefully, that you're going to get out of them. I believe they're around £35 here in the UK, so very much a budget-friendly option right here. So let's crack straight on into the box, see what you get inside. So you get a couple of tabs right here at the top, so let's just go straight into it. Now, these are, of course, wireless earbuds. They have 30 hours of advertised total playtime. Low latency mode for gaming, it says on the side right there. Clear calls with 6 mics, which is going to be great. And it's got that ANC, the active noise cancellation, which essentially just means that it's capturing the outside background noise that you don't want to be hearing and cancelling it out, removing it, so you get focus on your audio that you're trying to listen to. So this is what the box looks like. Pretty simple box, quite a small box as well. A nice size box, which indicates that the item itself is probably going to be quite small as well. So let's crack on into it. Nice and simply packaged it looks like. So up first, we are greeted with the instructions, as always. So yeah, oh, this is even the instructions. This is just what you get inside the box. Oh no, there is some instructions in here as well, telling you what all the LEDs mean, some of the sort of legal stuff as well that they have to have in here. The IC statement, the FCC statement. I don't know what any of that means, but it's in there. We also, of course, have a cable. Now, I assume this is for charging. Let's see what sort of cable we're looking at right here. Are we looking at a micro USB, or are we looking at a USB-C? I believe it's USB-C. Yes, it is. USB-C cable that comes with this, this product. So looking pretty good, looking pretty nice. Plastic casing around there. And the cable itself is just a standard. It's quite a short cable though. It's really tiny, to be honest. Probably only about 15 centimeters, that cable, which is fine. What else do we have inside the box here? We also have some spare earbuds, or tips, I suppose. So it looks like there's a couple of bigger sizes in there and a couple of smaller sizes. I'm usually actually just like the default ones that it comes with, like the medium sized. I don't have massive ears, I don't have tiny ears. I feel like I have, yeah, medium ears apparently. But yeah, there's some in here. Let's have a feel of what these actually feel like in the hand. So you get 4 of them, as I mentioned. You get some bigger ones and some smaller ones. So there's the smaller and the bigger ones. Now, I do have AirPods Pros, so I'm interested to see how these sound compared to the AirPods Pro. Again, look out for that full review very, very shortly. Yeah, they feel pretty good. They do feel quite similar to the AirPods ones, almost a little bit more slippery than the AirPod ones. So interested to see how those fit in the ear. Of course, the bigger ones and the smaller ones. As we delve deeper into what's inside this box, we do have another insert that comes out, and I believe, yeah, that's all that's left in there. I believe this is the actual earbuds themselves, or these are the earbuds themselves. There you go. Come wrapped in this sort of plastic wrapping right here, which we can undo and see what is inside, and boom, there we go. It comes inside of this sort of small little case, which I really like. It's got the Spigen logo on top as well, sort of on top there. It's got the USB-C charging on the side, so quite straightforward, quite easy to plug in and unplug. There you go. And yeah, I believe the earphones themselves should be housed inside of here. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. Okay, nice. Okay. It's a really nice mechanism. I think it's magnetic as well. Feels like it has some sort of, yeah, a little bit of magnetization, magnetic nature. Magnetization, is that even a word? I'm not too sure, but they, yes, there's some sort of a connection there. Not quite as strong as maybe the AirPods, but still a nice connection right there. It is a plastic case as well. Quite a light case, which is nice for carrying in your pocket. And here are the earbuds themselves. And I do have a little bit of plastic wrapping on here, so we'll take this off. Here are the earbuds, the Spigen P20s. They actually resemble AirPods quite closely, and I can't get this wrapping off my finger. They do actually resemble AirPods quite closely. Jeez, this is actually impossible to get off. There we go. Yeah, they're quite similar to AirPods. A little bit of a cheaper build, I guess you could say. They don't feel as quite as high quality. They don't feel quite as weighty, I feel like, as the AirPods. Slightly bigger than the AirPods themselves. They are black, which I really like. I think the black color is going to be really, really nice to use. I often have a lot of black products, so my phone is a matte black, sort of space gray as they call it, and A lot of my products from Apple and other devices are black, so it should actually fit in really nicely. But here's what the earbuds themselves look like. Speaking a lot about AirPods. As I said, they do resemble AirPods quite closely actually, so easy to make that mistake. They do have the sort of wireless charging at the bottom here, so you can sort of see the magnets right here which allow it to charge. So you only actually need to charge the case, which is quite standard for products like these. So they just go straight in there, and they do actually nicely magnet onto there, and they do have a nice red LED charging indicator, so that's quite nice. Doesn't actually show when they're not, when the case isn't open, so you do have to open up the case to see what the status of the charge is. But of course the case itself is going to hold some charge as well, which I really like, as you'd expect with some earbuds right here. They do have touch controls as well, just very similarly to the AirPods. And let's have a little feel how they feel inside of the ear. So they do have some little indicators right there. I'm not going to pair them in this video because my phone is actually using to record this, but in the full review I'll pair them and I'll let you guys know how they sound and everything like that. But let's put them in my ears. Let's see how they feel in the ears. Really, actually, yeah, okay. I'm assuming we don't have ANC on right now, but it kind of feels like we do. Really snug fit in the ears. Really snug. They don't feel like they're going to go anywhere. I feel like you could sort of go for a run with these and you wouldn't have any problems. They look pretty nice as well. Loving the look of them. They have touch controls, of course, as well, which is really nice. Fast charging support with these, and really quick pairing they advertise. And then we take them out and that's how they look. So yeah, feeling actually really, really nice in the ear immediately. So excited to get these inside or into that full review. So if you guys want to check these out, make sure to click on the link in the description down below, see what you think. That full review will be coming very, very shortly. It may already even be out. So if you are interested in watching to see whether these are for you, then check that full review out as I put them back in the case right here to charge. And yeah, that's a really nicely packaged product, really nice accessory, maybe a little gift as we're coming up to Christmas right here. For someone that maybe you don't know whether they have an iPhone, maybe they do, maybe they don't, or just want a budget-friendly pair of earphones that are gonna be really, really great for commuting, working, or maybe even sort of workouts and sport and stuff. So this seems like a really great little package. There's even a little button down there. Ah, wait a second. Did I speak too soon? As I did say, you can't actually see whether the charge is indicated outside of the case, but if you press the button on there, there is actually a little indicator there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, that I guess tells you what the battery charge is. We'll find out in the full review exactly what that button means and does, but yeah, it seems like they've thought of everything here with Spigen. So the real indicator, I guess, here will be the audio quality. So stick around for that full review. If it's already out, it'll be on the card in the top right of the screen, so check that out if it is already out. If it isn't, then make sure to look out for it on the channel very, very shortly. As I said, if you guys want to check these out, the link is down there in the description down below. Make sure to leave a like rating on this video as well as subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews, unboxings, and all the other tech videos that we're doing. Check out this video on the screen as well if you haven't seen it already. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one.